Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, is my world, is Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. And we back on this Impala project today, you know what I'm saying? And look, today we gonna be switching out the seats on this Impala. Now, this is gonna be a two-part video. I'm gonna do the back seats in one video, and then I'm gonna do the front seats in one video. Starting with the back seats today because the back seats are real easy, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty simple. So without further ado, man, we're gonna get right into it. Oh wait, before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, because we're going to do a giveaway at 1,500 subs. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Right up under the seat, right here, this is the first one. You go ahead and pull that, and you can start lifting it up, and then just do the same thing on the other side. So just like that, you know what I'm saying? We got this part up. Now we can actually take this out the car. I didn't really explain why I was changing my seats out. So, you know, these seats is like, they cool and all, they nice and soft and all that, but these are cloth seats or like suede seats or something. And I got, I want to put some leather seats in here and some black leather seats in here. So I got some black leather seats that I'm gonna be swapping these out with. So, but as y'all can see, man, we got this seat up out of here. We just go ahead and pull it out. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and pull it out. You got a couple bolts in here that you gotta remove. This one right here, this one here, this one here, this one here, and that one over there. Now, before I even try to remove these, I'm gonna put some WD-40 on it, and I believe it's 18 millimeter for those bolts. Got an 18 millimeter right here with a little extension on it and a socket wrench. As you guys can see, it only took me a couple minutes. This is really easy and simple. We got all those bolts off. Now the seat belts, you should be able to set the seat belt up top. This one comes off, the other seat belt comes off. You move this to the side, and the seat is hooked in, so you're gonna have to kind of lift it up, upwards and then over. So we're gonna do that right now. And just like that, guys, you can pull this right out. So, as y'all can see, the back seats are fully removed. like I said, man, it's real easy. It's actually simple, just a couple bolts, you know what I'm saying? But my camera battery about to die, so I'm gonna cut this right here, go in the house, grab the other seats, and put the new battery and start recording again. Yeah, man, so we back, and as you can see over here, man, we got the old seats here, old fabric suede seats, and then we got the new leather, black leather seats right there. So we're gonna go ahead and swap them out real quick. Try to give you a good angle. And you know, this process is just the complete opposite of removing them. You know what I'm saying? You just put the same bolts back in. Easy, quick, simple project, man. So yeah, we get right into it. Alright, so we got the seat, the top part of the seats in there. They hooked in place. All we got to do now is bolt them back down. Alright, now we got the top of the seats in there, as y'all can see, in there, and they all bolted down at the bottom. It's looking good already. Now we gotta throw the bottom part in. Alright, y'all, we got the black seats in the back, we got the black leather seats in the back. Looking way better. Now we just gotta do the front next. Be the next video. But yeah, man, that's pretty much the end of this project right here, you know what I'm saying? We had to get the new seats in there. So comment down below, let me know what y'all think about the black seats, you know what I'm saying? I think it looked a lot better. And stay tuned in for the next video when we do the front seats, you know what I'm saying? But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button once again if you want to win the giveaway. At 1,500 subs, we're doing another giveaway. Cash App giveaway. Don't miss out, man. But I forgot I had this music playing in the background. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but man, that's the end of this project. We got some more stuff coming. The wrap is on the way. It should be here sometime next week probably. And a couple more things we're gonna do to the Impala, but the Impala project continues, and stay tuned in for the next video, man. Just like that, we out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.